Crafting legends, unique wood furniture, and small craft ideas. In the world of woodworking, the possibilities are endless as a glance in a piece of fine timber. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a novice looking to embark on a creative journey, the realm of cool woodworking furniture or small craft offers a wide playground for imagination. In this video, we will explore inspiration ideas that seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetics. Elevating your space with the warmth and beauty of wood. So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe, and also press the bell icon. And this video share to your friends and also family members. In this video you can see our woodworking craft ideas. Bring nature indoors with a minimalist live edge coffee table showcase of raw beauty with a crafting is turning centerpiece that harmonious with the indoor style. Maximize both style and storage with flooring wood shelves. These sleek or modern additions can transform you and wall into a functional display, providing the perfect backdrop for your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. Deliver a small craft with a virtual wooden bookmarks combined with a wood spaces and colors to craft charming and practical bookmarks that make for delicious gifts and personal treasures. Embark sustainability by repurposing old wood into a captivating piece of wall art. Arrange reclaimed wood piece in a mosaic or abstract pattern, creating a unique focal point that tells the story of history and renewal. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and also family members. Elevate your indoor greenery with a stylish wooden plant stand. Experiment with varying heights and designed to add visually interest to your plant collection, turning your space into a botanical heaven. Step into the world of functional art by hand carrying wood spoons. Customized shapes and patterns turns a simple kitchen into the world of craft that both practical and visually appealing. So this is called today's video. You can see woodworking. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.